Today, we're going to be running through some of the latest updates in the AI world from Google, starting with Firebase. So Firebase have basically introduced a bunch of new features, which we'll run through today. And you can actually get free access to this inside Firebase.studio. This is really powerful for building apps. So you can see here, for example, you can basically build like a full stack AI app using AI agents. And this is completely free to use. Most people don't know about it or even think about using it. But it's kind of like almost like a free version of Bold on New or something like that. Now, you can use Gemini in Firebase as well, and this allows you to basically create apps, share them, deploy them. And one of the first updates that they've actually introduced is, let me get started with this, is actually being able to deploy faster. So you can see a bunch of different apps that are built here on the right hand side. I'm actually going to delete these so we can start a new app from scratch. So if we delete that, for example, and then if you have an AI app that you want to build, you can actually come into this section here and you can start coding for free using Firebase, right? So for example, if I say, okay, create a language learning app teaching me Italian, something like that, right? And then we'll click on prototype with AI. And what this will start doing is start building out the app that we want to design. And we can do that completely for free, right? Now, they've actually released a new blog post. So whilst we're waiting for that to prototype in the background, and you see here it's come up with the app blueprint. So Ciao Linguo, which is sort of a play on words with the Italian, came up with the app name, all the features. So for example, like interactive quizzes, progress tracking, themed vocabulary, contextual examples, kind of like a Duolingo alternative. And then you can actually play with the brand colors on the app, the layout, the typography, the iconography, the animations as well, which is pretty cool. And then down here, app, and it will actually start editing and building out the app, as you can see right here. So it's really easy to do, pretty simple to start using, and it didn't cost us anything to do. Now, once we're happy with that, we can actually publish in the top right over here, as you can see. But essentially, that's how easy it is to start coding with this, right? So whilst that's loading in the background, let's come on to some of the latest news for Firebase from this app. So this is the app that Fire Studio Code created. I'm assuming the sound is not going to work.
Il conto.
It actually does work. That's crazy. I just tested it now.
La mangia.
La mangia. All right. So, I mean, you've got a working app. You've got the progress bar right here. The color's quite nice.